Parler.
means to speak.
In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to speak in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the verb and the future ending, which we have already learned in our last video. Here is the table of future ending that we have learned in our earlier video.
Now we have the subject pronoun, the verb and the future ending.
Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense.
I will speak.
Je parlerai.
You will speak.
Informal way.
Tu parleras.
He will speak.
Masculine.
Il parlera.
She will speak. Feminine.
Elle parlera.
We will speak. Formal way.
Nous parlerons.
You will speak.
Formal way.
Vous parlerez.
They will speak.
Group of males or mixed people.
Ils parleront.
They will speak.
Group of only females.
Elles parleront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will speak to my friends tomorrow.
Je parlerai à mes amis demain. Je parlerai à mes amis demain.
You will speak to your boss tomorrow.
Tu parleras à ton patron demain. Tu parleras à ton patron demain.
He will speak with the teacher this afternoon.
Il parlera avec le professeur cet après-midi. Il parlera avec le professeur cet après-midi.
She will speak at the meeting.
Elle parlera lors de la réunion. Elle parlera lors de la réunion.
We will speak about our vacation.
Nous parlerons de nos vacances. Nous parlerons de nos vacances.
You will speak at the conference.
Vous parlerez lors de la conférence. Vous parlerez lors de la conférence.
They will speak about their experiences.
Ils parleront de leurs expériences. Ils parleront de leurs expériences.
They will speak about their future plans.
Elles parleront de leurs projets d'avenir. Elles parleront de leurs projets d'avenir.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je parlerai. Tu parleras. Il parlera. Elle parlera. Nous parlerons. Vous parlerez. Ils parleront. Elles parleront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.